you so much for joining in for another video here with RLTR Group, guys. So before you proceed, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and share this video with whoever is making losses here in the market so that they can get the live trading assistance. And today we are going to talk about what the market is going to do a day before expiry. And also we're going to talk about the profits that we have made for today, 27K, and how we've made it. So quickly, let's head with the start and see what exactly was happening. So as far as I could see, yesterday I did mention on my video that if Bank Nifty opens sideways, we are going to have some action here at the downside. Of course, we were quite happy with it and we saw the action on the downside. But the point is that we don't trade before 9:30 in our system. So our system does not give us any validation until 9:30. So what we did was we waited for 9:30 and we took our position over here at this juncture. Guess what? It gave us a small profit. And then it told us, buddy, I'm going to give you more profits, and we took another P position right here. So if you look at this, we the first position was 2,000 in profit. We were a bit hasty on that, but the second position went 47,000 in minus. How did that happen? Over here, the Bank Nifty took support and it started reacting over here and started forming a range. Now remember, this is the most critical point in your life that you would need to understand. Whenever there is a range after a huge volatility, the breakout of that particular range is going to give you clear money. So what did we do? We did the simple thing that every ideal trader should do, is buy the position here. So we bought the position here and we exited our position right here at the top. Now we could have waited for the entire day and see how this would go, but I was not really confident on the CE side. But however, this entire rally was missed by me. I don't care. And we actually went ahead, booked our profits pretty early, but it did not even come to our booking price. So, the excitement about this just tells us that you need to have a bit of a guiding voice next to you when you're trading. Now, trading is a lonely job. You need somebody to tell you what to do, when to do, and how to do it. Here with RLTR Group, we are live traders. We trade live. I share my screen. I copy my trades and analysis so that you can copy and earn or copy and learn. Now, let's go ahead and see what's happening here. At the end of the day, I saw this entire rally and I was like, wow, what is Bank Nifty up to? So let's quickly go ahead and see what it's going to do tomorrow. So on the 10th of February 2021, I am going to be a guy. I usually trade with 1,000 quantity. Today, because of the volatility, I traded with somewhere around 500 quantity, but I think I'm going to reduce my quantity drastically as to what has happened today. This is a complete doji candle, and anything above or below this can activate a serious trend here with Bank Nifty. So just to give you a bit of a heads up, what is going to happen here, that Bank Nifty has to go ahead and break this range at any cost. It has to either take out the high or take out the low of today's candle for us to understand. And right now it's again closed at 36,000 here after market. So it is a very dicey situation, guys. I want you guys to follow your risk management, money management, and ensure you reduce your quantity for whatever happens tomorrow. Because a candle like this is enough to go ahead, destroy your entire account. So my indication is very, very, neat over here at this particular point of time. So I want to tell you that I will only increase my quantity on top of this range and at the bottom of this range. Between this, I'm going to go, usually I go with 1/8 of my capital. Tomorrow, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to reduce it even more, because with this kind of volatility, guys, preserving your capital is the first thing that you need to do. At this moment, my indication is that this entire index is going to play around this entire piece and eat as much as capital it can. And the day when it breaks, nobody has any money left. At that time, it's going to give a huge move. So at that particular point of time, I want you to be ready whenever it breaks either of these particular levels. So I want you to go ahead and understand, preserve your capital, trade less until Bank Nifty is at this range. Tomorrow, we are going to wait for the range to break out anywhere and then going to trade that direction. If you need expert guidance and assistance while you're trading, please join our live trading program with www.rltrgroup.com. There's a Telegram link in the below. You can click on the Telegram group and join us over there as well. I keep you updated on the strikes and what the day is and market view on a day-to-day basis, and also share the profits that my participants are making on a day-to-day basis for your motivation and learning purposes. So thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day ahead. We'll see you around in the next video. Jai Hind. Take care of your loved ones. Bye-bye.